Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. The Solana chart continues to be in an uptrend. I mean, today we have a bit of a pullback, but that's probably more like a corrective pullback in this uptrend that started on the 22nd of June. So it's technically seen as a counter trend move at the moment, not as a trending move, which would break the uptrend. Okay. So it's just like a consolidation correction within an uptrend, which remains valid as long as we're, well, plausible rather, as long as we're holding $160. You might remember I see the move to the upside as a diagonal structure. So I'm tracking this as a diagonal pattern to the upside from the swing low that formed on the 22nd of June. And therefore, we have to expect sometimes deep pullbacks, but so far they've remained very shallow. And my interpretation is that we could even get one more high as part of circle wave 3 to the upside, yeah? So what I can say is that it is possible that we're moving up here in this fashion, wave 1, wave 2. This is all part of a third wave, which might get one more high, because what we track on the nano level is a WXY structure in wave 3. That's a bit exotic, but can happen. And then in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C, and the C wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we might get one more high, but below $189, the probabilities for one more high, they reduce. And then the focus will shift on the larger pullback area, which is circle wave 4 support here. It's located between $160 and $176. And as long as we're holding above $160, the overall focus can remain on higher prices. This is important to understand because there is a difference between we get one more high in this rally from the 15th of July low to we get one more high in this rally that started on the 22nd of June. Different wave degrees, different trend elements, right? Different degrees in the same trend. This here is the very direct uptrend that started on the 15th of July. But if we break below that 50% retracement, becomes more probable just that we're in a larger pullback. So overall, I would see this as a main support area. And up there is more like an upper micro support, weak support. If we break below it, there's also likely going to be some structural support around $178. So literally just waiting to see if the bulls show up here. There is already a micro reaction here, a small green candle as a reaction to the $197.70 level. But for now we are still tracking this local pullback within the internal wave 4. So basically, I'm just watching if we can get that one more high, but below $189, the probabilities for that will reduce, right? So overall, what I have still as kind of a milestone target here is the $250 area. That's the 100% extension level on the larger time frame. So if we go to the larger time frame, then you will just see again the relevant degrees and levels. So I posted yesterday on X, for example, as well, that in both scenarios, white and yellow, the focus remains on higher prices. Obviously, we then need to focus on the smaller time frame chart to understand what the relevant micro support levels are. But you see that the price recently broke above the May high, and now we are approaching that $249 level. And if we go even higher, then $360 would be the target for the yellow scenario. I prefer the yellow scenario. In the white scenario, however, we're only tracking 3 waves up. And at the moment, both of these scenarios point into the same direction, right? And we should get to $249. I mean, that would be ideal. And then from there, these can diverge, these scenarios. At the moment, and especially since April, these two have been aligned, which was why this was quite easy to track, yeah. But now it's going to get tricky the closer we get to $249. But we're not there yet. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the membership. You get additional member updates as a member, for example, about Say, Gala, Polygon. You get access to our member live stream every Sunday, and as a Discord or a gold member, you get access to our Discord server with a lot of additional updates, chat rooms, Tradingview live charts, and much more. Big warning here, scammers are around, yeah, as always, but prices going up, so more and more people coming into the space, more scammers are naturally around as well. So we would never send you any direct message on any social media platform, including Discord. Yeah, we would also not ask you for funds to send them to a copy trading platform. Yeah, we don't do copy trading, and also we would not ask you for any funds to invest for you. Right, that's not what we do. So stay safe out there. The warnings are there. Please make sure you read our scam warnings. Thanks so much. Bye bye.